Meaning of downcast.
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 Downcast. The term downcast refers to a feeling of sadness or disappointment. It is often used to describe someone who is feeling low or depressed. The result of feeling downcast can be a lack of motivation, trouble concentrating, and a feeling of hopelessness. People who are downcast may withdraw from social situations and have difficulty seeing the positives in life. It is important to seek support and help if you are experiencing feelings of downcast, as it can impact your mental health and overall well-being.